Hey families, it's Mrs. Elm here. I thought I would send a video to show you guys how we have been practicing adding and subtracting with regrouping. That way, in case you want to help at home, here's how we've been doing it at home or at school. Any other ways that you know that you think would be helpful to your student, you're welcome to show them. So we start with two 3-digit numbers. I always have them draw our place value chart to break up the ones, the tens, and the hundreds place. So for adding, I have them either add in their head or they can always draw a picture. So I'm going to show you both ways. So if we were to draw a picture, they would draw 8, then they would draw 4. Can they make a group of 10? Yes. And then they move the group of 10 over here. You have 2 left, so 2 goes in the ones place answer. Or if they're kind of getting fluent with their math facts, they would know 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14. So you could either draw the picture or just do the math. 6 plus 1 is 7, 8, 9. So that's how we do adding with regrouping. That one's pretty simple. The ones that, the problems that the most kids have the most trouble with is the subtracting. So I'm going to model how we practice subtracting with regrouping. So here's what we're going to start with. And if you notice, I teach them to space out all of their numbers to give them room to draw. We draw our chart. And on the subtracting, I have all of the kids draw the circles. So I remind them that it's asking you to start with 4, and can you cross out 8, yes or no? So the kids will tell me yes or no. We can't cross out 8, we don't have enough. So we go next door and we borrow 1. They don't have 2 anymore, they have 1. And they always give us 10. So we started with 4. Our neighbor gave us 10. Now we can cross out our 8. How many do we have left? 6. We do the same thing in the tens place. The tens place is where I see that they mess up the most. So we start with 1. Can we cross out 7? No. So we borrow. That becomes a 7 or a 6, excuse me. And when we borrow, they always give us 10. Now we can cross out our 7. How many do we have left? 3, and then that one up top, 4. Over here, 6 minus 3 is 3. Our answer is 346. So I hope that lesson was helpful to you parents in case your student needs help practicing at home. You are welcome to show this video to your student to remind them how to do it at home. Thanks for watching.